Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this short and simple video I'm going to demonstrate how you can post a link on Twitter. So just copy a link that you would like to post or get it to your clipboard. I'm not sure which one I'll go with. Let's say I'll copy a link to one of our YouTube videos. Then start composing a tweet by tapping at the plus sign at the bottom right. Paste the link. And tap at the blue tweet button to your top right. And as you can see, our tweet has been successfully posted. And that's how you, add a link or post a link on Twitter. Here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.